Tapping the potential of the smallest things has always led to giant leaps for humankind. So when we set out to reinvent 3D printing, we began at the molecular level with the smallest of building blocks, the mighty HP voxel, which led us to this, a leap beyond all the current limitations of 3D printing. Meet the HP Jet Fusion 3D printing solution. From this day forward, you will be able to reinvent the way you prototype and manufacture by creating consistently high quality and fully functional parts, up to 10 times faster, at the lowest cost. Continuous printing and fast cooling processes allow more production in the same day. From design to part, HP Jet Fusion 3D printing delivers an end-to-end solution that scales with your business. And the HP Multi-Jet Fusion Open Platform gives you access to a wider range of future materials and applications. Start reinventing the way you prototype and manufacture, voxel by voxel. HP Jet Fusion 3D printing. Keep reinventing.